The Synjuk Rangbah Shnong of Shnong Manat area expressed gratitude to the state government for making the Manat sub-center operational after a year of construction. President of the Synjuk, Reddy Shila, noted the community's happiness with the arrival of staff and urged the Health and Family Welfare Department to expedite the provision of necessary equipment as the sub-center is currently empty. The Synjuk also called for immediate release of pending bills for the contractor to avoid any disputes.
Habis kan sub-center ngilayu iya kinang terai bakila sedang bandon kinang terai. Tikane kala pendap yang ida kajing kemen ba kinong pang kinong sitom kibadai banwan hadu hanya mengkuat nikni tiba ngun saya no sen ba kinyo bandon hala kajing sub-center posno. Ti habedai batkane warlah pedeng kajing perkat jong iba kala long kajing yarap ka bakra ka berta jong iru kau ipat ka bang isu sanut namaba niyo sneu bau kontraktor badai trei ya ketika subsetar hadu mentau umpat la ban yo lut iya kabil